Yes, Yaram everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, you can see I am here on my terrace and yes, this is Dobby. Hey Dobby. Dobby always feel very happy when I try to go on outside and he generally comes with me. So he feels very happy here, so that's why. Come on, Dobby, come. Come. ये देखो दौड़ लगा रहा है. Okay. So let's talk about something in English. So in today's video we will discuss about a common problem that is faced by every English learner, and the problem is that making a excuse. Okay, yes, I know there are so many people. They have a common problem like ma'am, I was not surrounded by the English, so that's why I could not speak in English. Okay, I know because in my initially time, so I was also making this type of problem, but I got rid of this type of problem because I realized because we are putting a lot of effort in making a excuse, but if we use the same amount of effort on solving the problem, so this is going to help you. Okay, this is going to help you point because every time making an excuse on that I was not surrounded by the English atmosphere, and I was not born in English country. So these are the some few reasons. So because of this reason, I can't speak in English. We are always putting so much excuse, and all the excuse are not going to help 0.1%. But if we put the same amount of excuse, if we put the same amount of effort in solving the problem, so this is actually going to solve our problem. Now, so our problem is that we are not surrounded by the English atmosphere. So try to mix your surroundings in English, try to speak in English, try to read in English, try to speak in English, try to do conversation with someone. So it's up to you, okay, because it's your responsibility. So it's your choice that you had made for yourself. So why are you blaming all the time others that I was not surrounded by the English atmosphere, I was not born in an English country, okay, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, because all the excuses are not going to solve your problem. Solving the problem is going to solve your problem. So try to start solve your problem, try to speak in English, try to read in English, try to listen English. So more you listen, more you speak, more you read, more you speak. So you have to practice on 4 aspects like listening, reading, writing and speaking. Our problem is speaking because we have already learned this language as a subject in our school time or college time. So our problem is speaking. So why not we give so much effort on speaking terms? Why not we make a surroundings for ourselves? And yes, this is the thing that is going to help us, that is going to solve our problem. So try to solve your problem with yourself, because why are you blaming all others that okay, I have no one with whom I can practice in English? It's your choice, it's your responsibility. Why others people come to you and for your sake, for your English? Because it's not their problem, it's your problem. So totally you are responsible for your problem. Try to solve your problem by speaking, by creating surroundings in English, by immerse yourself into the English. Okay, try to think in English, try to use different methods. Yes, if I talk about myself, initially time I was also making this type but I was also making this type of problem, this type of excuse that I was not surrounded in English medium atmosphere, and yes, I was not I have no one with whom I can practice in English. But at the point of the time I realized that I was only putting so much excuse. And yes, this is the thing that because of this reason I could not able to speak in English. Okay, then I realized and started to work on speaking terms, started to create our surroundings in English. Okay, yes, you are, I am just like you, and if I can, then why you can't? Because I was not surrounded in English language, I was not born in English countries, and yes, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, but I could make my surroundings in English. And yes, I read in English, listen in English. If I have no one, I had no one at that time. So yes, I speak in English with myself. I putting some question in English. Yes, and at that time I played two role, like I was the one who was going to create some question in English, and I was the one who was going to answer in English. And in this way, I did make us make a surrounding in English. Yes, so you have to solve your problem according to yourself, according to your situation. Why are you not doing so much effort, putting so much effort on solving the problem? So try to solve your problem with yourself, because every time giving excuse, it's not going to help you. It's a negative aspect. Try to do your positive aspect, try to work on it, try to make some effort on it. And yes, if you are going to give some effort towards learn this language, so this is the thing that will help you. After 1 month you will feel like, okay, it's going to help me, and yes, you will feel more confident in English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram. Okay, you can see the work. So yes, the construction work is running. So we will meet you, see you next video. Till then, bye bye.